See, so what we have discussed in the last session, just how to write the variables and what is the importance of data types in writing the variables, and few examples we discussed using the online compiler we practiced. Today, the first concept is a very important thing is what? Here, how to write variables is the first one. Next one, how values will change in variables. These points are very, very important, followed by few arithmetic operations we will do, all operators we will do. First one is how to write variables and how values will change in variables. As we know already, the same thing I'm doing, I'm using the online compiler, online Java compiler I'm using. Few days after that, we will install the Java softwares which are required. Okay. So first of all, I'm taking one variable. I want to store value 10. Okay. Any variable you can take. As we have seen in the last session, a equals to 10. Sir, which type it is? 10 is an integer type. Yes, int I am taking. I'm printing the a value. With our previous knowledge, just with the message I am writing, a value equals to plus a. It will display the a value. See here, important one is what? A very important one. Second time, sir, I want to store the value 20 into a. So a equals to 20. The point is, please don't write the data type second time. Data type you have to write only one time. Only one time you have to write. Okay? Not multiple times. When you write the second time, you will get error message. Error message you will get. Variable a is already defined in the method. Please don't write the second time. So here, remove this int. Then 20 will store. Output is a 20 will come. See, you keep on changing like this. A equals to 30. A equals to 40. When you are printing a value, only the final value, what is present in a will print. So that a value 40 will print. See, the value in variable always will change. Suppose a value is a 5. I'm performing simple operations. Suppose a equals to a plus 3. Next, a is equals to a minus 5. A equals to a plus 5 or a plus 7. A equals to a minus 4. A minus 4. All the basic operations I am doing. A equals to a is multiplied with a 3. Then what is the final a value? A value 5. 5 plus 3. This is comment. It will not affect. Here a value become 8. 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5 is a 3. Next a value 3 plus 7 is a 10. Next 10 minus 4. 10 minus 4 is a 6. Here it is a 6 into 3 is a 18. So when you are executing the value, so what is the final value of a? What is the final value of a that will print? See what I'm trying to explain. The values in variables always will change. Suppose like our age. Every day age will change. Balance in account. Every day the balance will change. Suppose here, I'm taking the balance in my account is a 5,000 rupees. Now I want to deposit this variable 3,000 rupees. Deposit means that will be added to the balance. Balance is equal to balance plus deposit amount. Then when you are printing the balance in account is just that balance printing. Balance. What is output? Balance is 5,000. 5,000 plus 3,000, 8,000 rupees will store into balance. So that balance is a 8,000 rupees will print. 8,000. Sir, suppose I'm taking int new variable, always you have to take with the new name. Sir, 3,000 or 2,300 rupees I want to withdraw. What we will do? Balance is equals to balance minus withdraw amount. Then we are printing system dot out dot println. Now balance in account. After withdraw 2,300 rupees, the balance we are printing. Balance. Look at this, output is 5,700 rupees. First time whenever you are writing variable, say balance is a new variable, data type. Deposit is a new variable, data type. Withdraw is a new variable, data type. Sir, second time I am using balance, deposit, withdraw, balance. Don't use data type. Second time by mistake if you use integer, you will get error message. As a basic programmer, these simple points are very, very important. Don't use this one. Then only you will get the output. That is. Please try this one program. Then arithmetic operators I'll explain. Everybody please. I'll explain one program. Then you will understand how we need to take care while working with the variables. Just I'm taking int a is equals to 5, b equals to 3. A equals to 5, b equals to 3. Two variables I'm taking. I'm doing like this. A equals to b equals to a, and just printing a value and b value. A value, a, and printing b value. The point you need to understand here is, only point is you need to understand here how values are changing. Quickly everyone will tell a value become b value become a, so 5 3 become 3 5. No. See here, b value will store into a. What is the b value? 3 will store into a. So a value 5 will gone. A value 5 will gone. Only 3 will store here. No more 5, please. Next, a value will store into b. What is a value? Don't say 5. 5 already gone. It is 3. 3 will store into b. In this 3 again will store 3. Now a value will print, that is 3. B value will print, that is 3. That is 3 and 3. This is okay. So now when you see the output, so we need to take care whenever we are working with the variables, how the values are changing. A equals to 3, B equals to 3. Sir, then how can we swap? Programs are there. How can we swap the variable values? So don't worry, I'll explain clearly. Easy things. Okay. The next one, in arithmetic operators, the two important things are, so one is a total 5 arithmetic operators are there. As we know, plus, minus, multiplication not required. Only the division and mod. Division is, it will give quotient, and here it is a mod, it gives remainder. Division and mod, quotient and remainder will give quotient and remainder. Suppose if I am doing like this, 2 5 I am dividing with the 2. How many times? 2 times. Only integer I am taking. 4. Why integer? I'll explain. I am looking for the remainder. What will happen? When 5 you are dividing with the 2. Division means quotient will come. Quotient is 2. 5 mod 2. Remainder will come. Remainder is a 1. This is quotient and this is remainder. So any value you can take. Suppose 3, and this is 8. How many times? 2 times is a 6. 2 times is a 6. Here it is at 2. The both are 2 only. Both are 2. For example, 5 is only 1 time. 1 time is a 5. Remainder is a 3. Here it is 8. 8 by 5 equals to 1. 8 mod 5 equals to 3. That is. Okay. Now, here it is. Whenever 2 dividing with a 5 can be, no, 0 times. 0. So that remainder is 2. So whenever you are dividing 2 with a 5, we can't divide. 2 mod 5, yes. Output is 2. So the simple examples first, very basic. Don't think that the simple things we are doing, with the help of these simple things only, right, we can create a large programs. So again, one simple code I'll write. Here I'm taking A, B, 5 and 2 suppose, or 5 and 3. I'm doing A by B. I'll collect into remainder. Int, you can take a remainder, quotient, QUO I have written. So please write fully, you can write remainder A mod B. That's all. So you can say that A value and B value. Fully I'm writing quotient here is a QUO. Remainder here just REM. Variable names your wish. 5 by 3. Quotient is a 1 and 5 mod 3. Remainder is a 2. That's it. These two things. Okay. Quickly do everybody. Okay. Right. See, in arithmetic operators, two more things we need to understand. Sir, what are the two things? A very important one. Suppose the number 23, I'm dividing with a 10. How many times? 2 times 20. So the remainder is 3. Remainder is 3. Okay. Suppose here it is a 100 I am dividing with a 10. 10 times. 10 tens are 100. So remainder is 0. The question is, Whenever you are dividing 23 by 10, look at the output is a 2. Last digit removed. Very important point. 23 mod 10 free gives the last digit. See, look at the same story. 100 by 10 means quotient is a 10. Same story. In 100, last digit removed, so 10 came. 100 mod 10. Here it is a 0. That last digit given. So any number you divide with a 10, it removes the last digit. Any number mod 10 will give the last digit. So now these two we are applying and we are writing the code. A simple code again. Suppose I am taking the number int n is equals to 365. 365. I'm just writing 365 by 10, checking the value. That is n by 10. N by 10. And here it is a n mod 10. Look at the output. The first one is 36 and the next one is a 5. This is a very important one. Whenever you are writing while loop programs, count digits, right? Display only even digits, find highest digit, largest digit, find smallest digit, reverse number, strong number, Armstrong number, right? Lucky number, palindrome number, Adam number. All these programs based on these two concepts only, divided by 10 and mod 10. That's why these two things we are learning perfectly in arithmetic operators only. Remember the point. Okay. So please do this quick. Using the arithmetic operators, we will write some programs. Okay. So what are the programs? Suppose addition of two numbers and all, everyone will write easy things. I'm writing one code. The code is simple. The first code is, here it is, just find or calculate total amount for given quantity of fruits. Suppose consider. So how many fruits purchased? Suppose I'm taking float or double because in points it will come. How many fruits quantity purchased? Suppose they purchased 42 fruits. Okay. But they mentioned each fruit cost I am not giving. I am giving per dozen. Per dozen cost I am giving. Okay. How much cost per dozen? 53.5 rupees per dozen cost. They have given like this. Now they are asking, please find the total amount. How can we find? First, fruits, individual fruits are there. You need to convert into dozens. So total number of fruits divided by 12. Now the fruits converted into dozens, then multiplied with the per dozen cost. That is the total cost, total amount, and we are printing. We are printing system.out.println. Please pay. The amount is what? Total amount. When you run the code, right here it is a 42 means what is around 3.5 dozens. Each dozen 53 rupees for 3.5 dozens is 187.25 paisa. So this is the way we are calculating. Normal programs, addition of two numbers, right? Multiplication of two numbers, these are okay. But we need to write these kind of questions using arithmetic operators. Okay, please do this quick, everybody. Try to understand the code, right? So here we need to write arithmetic operator questions like this. One more example. Okay, see, find the total salary. Find the total salary of employee for given basic salary. For given basic salary. Suppose they have given salary total basic salary they mention basic. Okay, some whatever the amount, some amount they have given, and they mention clearly 20% HR we need to calculate. HR house rent allowances, HRA equals to 20% means 20 by 100. You can write like this, or sir simply 0.20 I will write. Instead of writing this 0.2, 20% of basic salary, right? That is HRA. Sir, traveling allowances, 15% traveling allowances. TA is equals to 0.15 into basic salary. Sir, dearest allowances, DA is equals to 25% suppose of basic salary. Total salary is total salary. For the basic salary, we are adding HRA, adding TA, DA. Any taxes we can deduct minus. This is simple one. Here we are printing the total salary. Total salary is, we are just printing the total. For 23,000 basic salary with all add-ons, the total salary the employee got, that is 36,800 rupees. This is the simple way of calculating the total salary. Here also we are using only what kind of operators? Arithmetic operators only. Everyone thinking that arithmetic operators are easy. No. Once you enter into programming part, so many examples are there on arithmetic operators. Okay. Hope you understood the today class. More examples also we'll see in the tomorrow session along with the relational operators also. Okay.